welcome to Great Falls, Virginia, a place where history flows as steadily as the waters of Colvin run. Today, we're stepping back in time to explore the Colvin Run Mill Historic Site, a beautifully preserved 19th century milling complex that tells the story of early American ingenuity, community, and craftsmanship. Whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or just curious about how grain was ground before electricity, this site has something for everyone. Our journey begins at the General Store, a late 19th century building that once stood across Colvin Run Road. Storekeeper Mark Cockrell stocked it with everything the local farming community and mill patrons needed, from grain to penny candy. Today, the store still operates as a mercantile shop, selling grain ground at the mill and nostalgic treats that harken back to simpler times. Shelves are lined with vintage merchandise from the 1890s to the 1940s, offering a glimpse into daily life over a century ago. It's a charming place to start your visit and pick up a unique souvenir. Just steps away from the store are the barn and blacksmith shop, built in 1970 during the site's restoration. Inside the barn, you'll find a meticulously crafted 1/24 scale model of Colvin Run Mill, created by a dedicated volunteer. Exhibits showcase tools used by farmers and tradespeople around the turn of the 20th century. Kids especially love the hands-on history trunk, filled with reproductions of items used at home, school, and work, making history interactive and fun. Down a gravel path lies the miller's house, built around 1809. In 1883, Addison Millard moved his family here after purchasing the mill. He and his wife, Emma, raised some of their 20 children in this home. The Millard family operated the mill until 1934, leaving behind a legacy of hard work and resilience. On the east side of the house, a peaceful garden invites visitors to sit, relax, and enjoy the beauty of blooming flowers. Further down the path, you'll reach the heart of the site, the historic Colvin Run Mill. Nearby, the remains of a great white oak tree remind us of the materials used in the mill's construction. White oak was essential for the framework, axles, and gear faces. The path to the mill runs alongside the mill race, which carries water to power the mill. Standing on the bridge, you can watch the water flow from the flume and tumble over the overshot water wheel, a mesmerizing sight. This water wheel, built of oak and replaced every 10 to 15 years, powers the mill's machinery. Its axle, carved from a single white oak log, transmits energy to the greater face gear in the basement. This gear drives 3 sets of grinding stones, grain elevators, and sifting equipment, all part of the intricate system that turns grain into flour. Along the hillside, you'll see burr stones imported from France. These premium grinding stones were a major investment, often lasting up to 100 years, sometimes outliving the mill itself. The mill's walls tell a story of preservation and discovery. Originally built around 1811, the structure includes both original and replacement bricks. When the Park Authority acquired the site, the water wheel sidewall was made of wood. Archaeological investigations revealed that the original wall had been brick and had collapsed. A new brick wall was built to replicate it, complete with put-log holes, the same scaffolding supports used during the original construction. This attention to detail ensures that visitors experience the mill as authentically as possible, preserving its historical integrity for generations to come. Nature thrives at Colvin Run Mill. The nearby Mill Pond is home to ducks, geese, and the occasional heron. At the far end of the pond, the mill race flows through a tunnel under Colvin Run Road and returns to Difficult Run, completing the cycle that powers this historic site. Colvin Run Mill Historic Site is more than just a relic of the past. It's a living testament to the craftsmanship, community, and innovation that shaped early American life. Whether you're exploring the mill's mechanics, strolling through the garden, or watching the water wheel spin, you're walking through history. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you enjoyed it, and plan your visit to Colvin Run Mill in Great Falls, Virginia. History is waiting.